And there's a chance I'm gonna have a rerun of my solo show. I've been in talks with this gallery, but like they're being wishy-washy. So I'm like, there's a chance they hit me up and they're like, yeah, we could totally do an exhibition for you in December. I've been waiting, excuse me, to hear that for like a while now. Not holding my breath, but I'm also like, if they do it, it's like, oh crap, gotta switch gears and set up an exhibition real quick. This is making a lot of sense. I appreciate that. I swear I wasn't coughing all day. Now all of a sudden, I can't hold conversation with myself. All right. This page at this point is ready for color, in my opinion, but we're not gonna color it right now. We're gonna sketch the next page. And I spent the past hour offline, off live, off the internet, not recording. Spent the past hour basically putting together a reference for the next page. So let's get into that. Okay. Pretty interesting reference. But it always looks crazy, but wait till you see what I do with this. But first, I gotta divvy up my panels, probably awkwardly and incorrectly, and have to like fix them later. How am I gonna do this? Let's say in fourths. What is this, 12? Yeah, this is a 9 by 12 sheet. So 12 divided by 3 is, oh no, I want to divide it by fourths, so 6. Then the next thing I'm gonna do, I had started posting on Webtoons, which is like an online comic book platform. And then I go back and forth with it, but I'm like, I always wanted to just finish this volume and then convert it to Webtoon and just post like a weekly chapter every week. And then by the end of it, I'll like announce a Kickstarter that, hey, this comic is going to be, printed, and if you love the Webtoon and want a physical copy, like support the Kickstarter here. So that's what I'm hoping to do, unless my brain is just like, no, we're just gonna self-fund and come out with this crazy book and then go, hey guys, come buy this crazy book with zero promotion. That would not be smart. So I'm really hoping to not do that. So when I say I want to finish the comic by end of year, I'm like, really all I'm saying is I'm going to finish the work of the comic, but that doesn't mean it's going to be published by the end of the year, or that it's going to be, like a book is going to be available at the end of the year. It's probably more like a mid-2026 activity, which was cool. Or like spring, if I'm really about it. Anywho's, we are divvying up this page. Whoops. Messed up my mirror, aka my webcam.